Dabolim basically today is on the ventilator and this government has put it in the ICU. The pulse rate is slowly ticking, but it is dying. When I say dying, it's because it's a death without dignity. It's because we know it's dying. We are shouting here, but we are doing absolutely nothing, and we will allow it to die. But Speaker sir, what are the steps? What are the steps? Can you do it? Is it possible? Because as per the reply, it is not possible. What will you do? You can. Kon etle tinga? तुगे आन्सरा मत तू एक्सपांड करीत आहा सगळे एक्सपांड कोताय अरे फ्लायटूय नाही जाले जाल्यार मागीर कित्याक एक्सपांड कोताय थिंगा व्हॉट इज द रीजन दिस इज बिकॉज Dabolim has to stay operational. You need of passengers and hospitality industry in South Goa. You need to shift it and ICU padha, bring it back into the operation theatre. You're a medical professional. Bring it to the operation theatre. Conduct the required operation. And Speaker, the question is, will you do it? Can you do it? Is what you need to answer. Very specific, because I'm answering as per reply. Central government, as of now, looks like doesn't have the powers. Will you amend this act? How will this happen? Is something that Dr. Pramod Sawant needs to answer. Thank you, sir.